Hello everyone and welcome back to Circus Tutorials. Has this ever happened to you? Man, I hate being stuck inside all day. I would learn how to juggle from the link in the description, but I have nothing to juggle. Well, if that's ever been you, good news, because today's tutorial is all about finding some household items, things you can just find lying around to be able to practice and learn how to juggle. Man, all this stuff and nothing to juggle. I mean, I have all this stuff, but none of that will do. Ooh, wait, no, that's too expensive. But these could work. This, wait, what's that? This could work. Tempting, but no. But these. Yes. Yes. Not a good idea. But these can work. And wait, we can't use knives. These are more our speed. Those will do. And you can't ever forget some snacks. Yeah. Let's check some of the extra props and some of the project bins. Oh, sorry. Well, those can work. Most people have locks. Some of those. Anyone who has some of those are my new best friend. Oh, soccer balls. Most people have a couple of those laying around, so I'll grab those too. Let's dig through this guy, see what we can find. Ooh, there'll be some good stuff in here. I'll see what I can find and I'll bring it back with everything else. And here's what we got. We got some potato chips, an assortment of sports balls, some cooking utensils, some fruit-only juggle droppable foods, duct tape, playing cards, coins, some locks, some tools, a couple pieces of paper that'll show you a very fancy way to fold them into a juggling ball, some butter knives, and a couple pairs of balled up socks. If you don't have 3 of anything on this list to juggle, why don't you have 3 socks? They're not expensive. Don't buy a pair. You only need a couple. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. As you can tell, I had a lot of fun making this one. This video is much less of a tutorial and more just to show you that even if you're stuck inside and you're bored and you have nothing to do, you can still find things to juggle and to practice with in your free time. If you like this more silly format, give me some feedback. Let me know down below, and we'll make more like this in the future. If you have some requests for some tutorials as well, leave those down below. Share, do all the YouTube things. You know what to do. You've been here before. And with that, I've been Chuck Clark with Circus Tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.